What's going on YouTube? O3 Saturn fan back here again. This is going to be a really quick update. So as many of you know, I had gotten leather seats for my Ion 2. They came out of a 300,000 mile Ion 3. Car is probably locked, maybe not. The seats had the front seat had a little bit of wear on them. Mainly the bottom seat cushion was cracked. There, the perforations, and then some splits here. The whole point in this video is there's a guy I work with who has a friend who does leather seat repairs or seat repairs local to me for all the dealerships around here, like Flow Auto, Crown Automotive, maybe Modern, Van York. So I got him to I sent him pictures of seats, and get this, place quoted, I think if I remember, about $2,000 to get this stuff redone. Or I remember for red car. Anyway, we got $2,000 for quote on one of the seats, on one of the cars. He's going to do both front seats. That seat over there has some spots where they finished them with the leather. He's gonna do both these front seats. Come to me and do the front seats, him and his crew, for $140, which I think is absolutely amazing. And I've seen his work. He does really good work. So I'm really excited to get this done finally. These are nice seats. The seats themselves have over 300,000 miles on them. Like I said, the car came up, had about 300,000, and since I've had them, I've put about 3,000 to 5,000 on these seats, if I had to guess, since I've had them. That's how so they're still in really good shape to have that many miles on them. I'm excited to get them redone. I will post a video once they're done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.